course, the supervised financial institutions.
Omuhwezi wa banki enkuru y'ihanga Michael Ating Ego agambira ebo bwabire naganiraho n'abakirukwataho batara bamwe na bamwe omu town ya HOIMA. Najangwe ekintu kiza okukyendeza omuhendo gw'esente ezirikukoresibwa omu kukora esente ez'empapura hamwe n'okukipora empapura.
As the headmaster, do you have a mobile money account? If they say yes, you transfer. In that way, we will reduce on the use of currency notes, which are expensive to print, and also it means that other products can come from there. So I'm really urging the leadership and all the people going to not to cash out money when you're sick. Try to keep the money in the system circulating. Just keep transferring, so that we reduce on the use of currency notes and coins.
Ating Ego hona nabo yasha abarukwehora empiha omuruza banka bashashure ahabo kuchendeza % y'amagoba agari ahiguru erigenda. Hona yashaba banko kugeraho entebekanisa zo kutungura abantu na mnonga aba bakirukorenda.
How are supervised financial institutions going to play a role in lifting this 39% of the population from subsistence, from the non-monetary economy to the monetary economy? And that's why that component of social sustainability is part of the ESG. So we are asking all the financial institutions, what is your role in social sustainability?
Araba inantekereza Uganda muti sente government kaneze hora amabanks agaba jumuni gakora sente omulitwe ato ekyo tikija kuteka ebiro kwetaga gavana ramanya muti akwetaga program yova sees financial institutions ezikuhereza ibitago bya omuntu obukiro.
Omuhwezi wa gavana nagira ngu banka y'ihanga batangira okushoza sente ziriho omukono gw'omuhwezi wa gavana konka ngu neziriho omukono gw'omugenzi Emmanuel Tumusime Mutebere nazo nizikikora.
And to the extent that we need to keep on producing currency notes to meet the demand, the 2022 series was signed by me.
Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.